Hello everyone. For rent, apartment 3 rooms with full furniture, with full AC, full furniture. For rent apartment, also there is swimming pool, indoor auto park. Also there is elevator. The view is really nice. Okay, full mountain view, and full sea view. Okay, clear sea view, very nice. For rent apartment, this side is the balcony. The balcony is spacious, very wide. Okay, and this is the living room, salon. Also from the salon there is another balcony, really nice. The view is perfect. Also this balcony has sea view, very close to Manar City. You know, this is the center of the Yuvacık, Manar City. Also this balcony has full sea view. This is the living room. Okay, living room. The entrance of the apartment. This is the kitchen. There is a refrigerator, oven, cook and hood, coffee machine, toast, the kettle, all of the materials full. This is the first floor toilet. If you want the housemate, they can take shower in this floor. There is also elevator. This is the lift. Okay, elevator. The apartment is brand new. 3 rooms, full sea view with furniture. For rent apartment, yearly, not monthly, daily, yearly. The left side there is washing machine, wash basin, shower box, hot and cold water shut off also available. This is the master room. This is the master room. This is the master bathroom. Master bathroom. Second room. Second room. This is the another bedroom. Another bedroom. Also this bedroom has balcony. Okay. Allah, the view is perfect. You know, this is the masjid. You know this masjid mosque. This is the Manar City. For rent apartment 3 rooms with furniture, yearly rent, full sea view, 3 rooms, 3 bathrooms. For more detail you can contact with Selim TANIŞ.